කතා කරා. හරි. lesson එකක් ඒ lesson එකට සම්බන්ධ වෙලා හිටපු කට්ටියට මතක ඇති මොනවද? steam and leaf. Then data interpretation part 2. Today we are going to discuss data interpretation part 2. Right? But to discuss the part 2, the last week we discussed the steam and leaf tables. Now you want to get some knowledge about that before you start the lesson. මතකද leaf and steams කතා කරා number එකකට කොලයක් තියනවා කිව්වා නටුවක් තියනවා කිව්වා. හරි. Always the leaf is unit place. number එකේ තියෙන unit place එක තමයි always අපි අරගන්නවා කියලා කිව්වේ leaf එක විදියට. Other numbers are taken as the steam. පලිගේ නටුව විදියට අපි අරගන්නවා කියලා වුණා කිව්වා. right. පැහැදිලිද? එහෙනම් ඒක මතක් කරගන්නත් එක්ක list the data in each steams and leaf display. දැන් මතක කරගන්න අපි කියමු බලන්න. හරි. මේකේ key එකක් තියෙන්න ඕන කියලා කිව්වා. හරි. numbers ascending order එකට තියෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා කිව්වා. We tell that numbers should be ascending order. The key should be there. Last week I will explain. Now my question is, right, express the numbers which is displayed by this steam table. What are the numbers? Right? You know that 10. Steam is 10. Steam is 10. Therefore, the number steam is 10. Steam is 10. Leaf is 7. That means number is 107. This number is 107. Another one is there. Steam is 11. Steam is 11. Right. Leaf is 2. Leaf 2 මොනවද කියන්නේ 112. That number is 112. So ගත්ත steam එක මෙතනින් ගත්තා, leaf එක මෙතනින් ගත්තා. Another one are there. මම මෙයා ගැන කතා කරනවා මේ steam 11 යාගේ leaf එකක් 2. Another 112 are there. මෙයා ගැන මම කතා කරනවා. Steam is 11, leaf is 3. Therefore 130. Right. As a review exercise, you can follow these 3 steam and leaf tables. I want to write the numbers represented by this table. Right? That is the last day sessions. එක මම ඉවර කරලා තිබ්බේ. හැබැයි මතක් වෙන්න ආයි leaf and steams ගැන පොඩි මතක් කිරීමක් කරා. The part 2 data interpretation part 2, you can see the topic here, right? Representative values, right? Lessons value. In this today we are going to study the 4 concepts related to the data. First one is range. Range මතකයි නේද? Last day we discussed that the range differs between highest number and lowest number. Range is the difference between highest numbers and lowest number. Right? Range. How we find the range lamai? Right? Difference between, we want to find the difference between highest number and lowest number. Right? Next one is mean. Other one is mean. Right? What is the mean? What is the mean? Right. Mean means, we call this Sinhala, අපි කියනවා මේකට we call it Sinhala මධ්‍යන්නේ. Means. Mean එක කියලා කියන්නේ average. Mean means average of the total data. හරි මම අදලා පෙන්නනවා. Other one is median. Median. Other one is median. Median කියන්නේ the middle value of the number range. The middle value of the number range, we call that median. Other one is mode. Mode means when we consider the number range එකක් ගැන consider කරනකොට the number which is mostly represent. ඒ කියන්නේ number range එකක් sir ලියනවා. I will explain that again, right? Number range එකක් ලියනවා 1 2 2 3 5 6 6 6 8, right? Mode එක කියලා කියන්නේ right වැඩිපුරම ලියවිලා තියෙන අංකය. In this number range, right? In this data, the mode is 6. Mode is 6. Right. Mode is 6. ඊට පස්සේ now we can find the median. Median means මැදාගය. හරි? Mode එක 6. Median අපි බලමු මේ පැත්තෙන් කියලා එකයි කරමු මේ පැත්තෙන් එක 1 2 3 4. මම අතර දෙනෙක් මෙයාට අයින් කරා 1 2 3 4. අතර දෙනෙක් මෙයාට අයින් කරා right. Median. The middle value of the number line is 5. Mode is 6, 5. Average. හරිද? එහෙම නැත්නම් mean එක. Mean එක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද ළමයි? හරි? Mean we want to find the mean. Mean හොයන්නේ. හරි? These numbers should be add to it. add කරන්න ඕනේ. එක එක add කරන්න ඕනේ. 1 2 3 5 8 10 13, 19, 25, 31, 39. Right? 39. Total is 39. Right? Total is 39. Total is 39. That 39 should be divided by the number of, that 39 should be divided by these total data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 වලින් divide කරන්න ඕනේ. මම ගණන් ඉස්සරහට වෙන අපි අද හරි for example 9 වලින් වෙන 9ක් 6 36යි 36 ඉතුරු 3ක් 30ට 9ක් 3යි 27යි ඉතුරු 3ක් 3යි. Yes, mean එමෙන්න average is 6.33. Next one, range. Difference between highest number is 8, lowest number is 1. Difference between 8 and 1. Right? Difference between 8 and 1 is 7. Right? Normally, I will explain that. Right? Next, I already sent the note. No, this note I already sent through the WhatsApp group. You can go through the lesson note. Right? The definitions are there. Right? The definitions are there. See here, right? So explain karna. Range. The difference between the highest value and the lowest value. The difference between the highest value and lowest value. Mean. The value obtained when the sum of the all scores is divided by the number of scores in the mean, right? Method, for example, right? Example, the expenditure of a person for the 7 days of the week is as follows. First day 120, right? 114, 200, like this, right? The total of these expenses we want to divide by days, 7 days. The average daily expense is 163. Median is middle value, right? When we doing the exercises, we can find that one. Mode is the number which is already වැඩිපුර වාර ගණනක් ලියලා තියෙන number එක. Shall we go to the exercise? Now we can easily do it. Right? Find the range in the range each of the following. This number range is range. We want to find the range, right? 3, 8, 15, 3, 8, 15, 19, 25, 29, 37. What is the highest number? Yes, highest one is 37. The lowest is, right, range. First one is range. Range equal highest number 37 subtract by 3. 37 subtract by 3. Highest number, lowest number. Highest, this is the lowest. How much? 34. Range is 34. The next one is highest number. Highest number is 65. No, highest number is 65. In here, highest number is 65. The lowest number is 70. Right? The range equal 65 subtract 70. 65 subtract 70. Right? 15, 7, 8, 5, 4, 14. Range is 48. Is that range? Range is the difference between highest and lowest one. Next we want to discuss the mean. Mean. We call that mean is average, no? Mean kya kya average. Mean is the average. Mean is average. Average. Now find the mean in the each of the following. There is a data 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 7, 8, 6. It is better that if you can prepare in the ascending order. Ascending order can prepare whatever lazy, right? I will start from 5. Right? Yes, I will do that one 5. Next 6. Next 7. Again 7. Right? 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. 2 6 are there, no? 2 6 are there. Micro on karanda, kamak nahi. Sir ek kata karna karanda. Gadi sabda karanda tu, hari. Right. 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9. 8 8 9. This is the numbers. This is the data. All are the data. Right. Now we are going to find the mean. Mean kya this total should be divided by this number of data. 5 plus 6 11. Plus 5 plus 6. Right. 5 plus 6 plus 6 7. 5 plus 6 11. 17 24 31 39 47 47, 47, 56. Right. Total is 56. Now we want to divide by mean. Mean equal 56 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 telling up 56 below. Right. 4, 7 no. Right. Here mic on kala kata karan. Hari. Seven. Hari. Right. Mean ek hoyanne e vidya. Next one. Hari. 17, 18, 29, 31, 45. This is meka tiyena ascending order එක. Mean equal 17 plus 18 plus 29 plus 31 plus 45. Right. Now add it. The both 30, 35, 45, 55, 64, 64, 95, 100, 140. Total is 140. It should be divided by number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. The mean is equal 2, 8, 28. Mean is 28. Next, we want to find the what? Find the median each of the sets of numbers in question above. Then අපිට කියනවා the question number 2 එකේ numbers වල find the median. Median. Find the median. Median. Median is already I explained that the middle value of the number range. Right? Middle value of the number range. Median. Right. Firstly, we want to press this step that these numbers should be arranged as in the ascending order. Ascending order එකකට මේ ටික arrange කරන්න ඕනේ. හරි? ආයෙ පාරක් කියන්න මට 5, next 6, 6. So the next 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, right? 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. 8, 8, 9. This is the data range. Now we want to middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then අපිට odd numbers another one. 2 එකක් ලියලා ඉන්නවා මම. හරි. 17, 18, 29, 31, 45. This is the number range. Then ascending order එකට number range එක හදලා you want to prepare the numbers in the ascending order. After that you want to count how many data are there. If there is a odd number range, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers are තියෙන්නේ number range එකේ, easily we can find the middle number. මෙන්න මෙයා middle number එක, easily we can find the middle number. හරි. මේ පැත්තට සමාන ගානක් අයින් කරලා මේ පැත්තට සමාන ගානක් අයින් කරලා easily we can find the middle number. If the number range is data range is even the number of data are odd ගානක් 1 2 3 4 5 odd ගානක් තියෙනවා. But events ගානක් තියෙනවා නම් ඉලක්ක සංඛ්‍යාවක් තියෙනවා නම් මේ බලන්න. හරි. I want to discuss in this, right? 1 2 3 මේ පැත්තේ 1 2 3 ගත්තාම there's a two numbers are middle. middle එකට එන two numbers තියෙනවා. හරි. middle එකට එන two numbers තියෙනවා. අපි කොහොමද මේ වෙලාවට median එක හොයන්නේ? මෙයාගේ median 29. හරි. median 29. හරි. මේ වෙලාවට I will clean this one. I want to explain that above one. Therefore I will clean that. Right. In this time, we want to add both numbers. These two numbers should be add together and should divide by 2. Right. The 14 should be divided by 2. Right. Median is 7 equal 7. Median 7. Right. Irate datas, the number of datas, the quantity of datas, if it is evens number, right? We want to arrange we want to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order එකට prepare කරලා ඉවරලා හරි මේ පැත්තට සමාන numbers ගණන් කරා මේ පැත්තට සමාන numbers ගණන් කරා middle එකේ ඉතුරු වෙන numbers දෙක add කරලා දෙකෙන් බෙදපුවාම එන answer එක තමයි අපි median එක කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? Next, mode data. Mode, right? When we considering these numbers, මේ number pattern එකම ගත්තාම mode එක කියලා කියන්නේ ළමයි. හරි. The number which is this one is we can't take because I will increase this number line. මේ number line එක වැඩි කළා. හරි. mode එක කියලා කියන්නේ එක number එකක් වැඩිම වාර ගණනක් ලියලා තියෙන එක තමයි අපි mode එක කියන්නේ. In this 9ව 3ක් තියෙනවා. mode is 9. Right. දැන් sir මේක අයින් කරමු. හරි. මේවා දෙන්න. Then what is the mode? Mode. There are 3 modes are there. 6, 7 and 8 are the different modes related to this diagram. Yes. Right. Already we discussed that the lesson, right, related to the part 2. You want to find the range, median, mode, right, and means. This exercise is related to your books, and you finish the lessons, and next day I will discuss furthermore. Right. Thank you. Right.